Welcome to the UK Data Service. This presentation is designed to show researchers who wish to use controlled level data how to log into the Secure Lab environment once they have been granted access. The Secure Lab is a facility for accessing data that are deemed too confidential or sensitive to allow researchers to download it. Instead, we have created a secure virtual research environment, our Secure Lab, which makes it possible for researchers to access and analyze data in a safe setting. To log into your account, click on the login icon on the top right hand side of the page. You'll then find yourself on a page with several login options. To access the Secure Lab, click on the Secure Lab option. Waiting for the page to load may take a few seconds, but once loaded will take you to a page asking you to enter your Secure Lab username and password. If you don't reach this page, there is a good chance that the IP address you provided us with is not correct. Please contact your IT support to confirm your IP address and then contact us. Enter your username and password. And click on the Log On button. You should now be on a page with an SDS desktop icon. Click once on the icon. When you click on the desktop icon, a file called launch.ica will appear. When it does, click on the launch file and this will launch a new window. This is your Secure Lab desktop. It is really important that you remember to only click on the desktop icon once. By double-clicking, you may launch two desktops, which may function for a while, but they will eventually conflict and freeze your working session. You will now see the Secure Lab in another window. It is simply a new desktop operating system in a new window. What you're effectively doing is logging into a server based at the UK Data Archive. The Secure Lab is secure for a number of reasons. For example, you are unable to copy and paste any files or text from this window onto your own PC. Neither can you connect this environment to your PC or any of its drives, or use the internet from within the environment. It really is a sealed off area. When you log into the Secure Lab, the first message you see is from the Citrix Smart Auditor software. Each time you log in, your session is recorded. We do this for security purposes and also to help researchers if they experience any difficulty using Secure Lab. Go to the Start menu in the bottom left-hand corner. First, click on Start and then click on Computer. You'll now see three drives. First, we'll take a look at your personal drive, the M drive. In here, you'll find a folder for each of the projects that you have been approved to undertake. Open up a folder. This is your project area, and you'll find a number of subdirectories. Each project area can be accessed by other users who are approved to work on the project in order to enable collaborative working. However, it is private to a project team. Other researchers using the Secure Lab will not be able to access this area. The original data folder contains the datasets that you have successfully applied to access. This is a read-only folder to prevent you from overwriting the clean data by mistake. You can make copies of the data files and paste them in the working folder. This is a writable directory where you'll undertake your analysis, manipulating datasets, etc. The syntax folder is a directory where you can store syntax files. This is to help organize your work. You may wish to upload your own data, for example small area demographic data. Please refer to the instructions in your user guide. If you have made a request for us to upload your own data or syntax, we'll save them in the Uploads folder. At the end of your project, you'll no doubt ask us to release some statistical results to you. Please save these in the SDC folder. Again, please refer to your user guide. Next, we'll go back to Computer to show you the References drive. This is a common reference library accessible to all researchers who log into the Secure Lab. Here you'll find a number of useful resources which will help you with your analysis. For Stata users, there is an ADO library in the folder marked ADO files. You can program Stata to retrieve Stata ADO files from here. If an ADO extension you require is missing, just let us know and we will add the extension to the collection. You'll also find a number of lookup tables, such as industrial and occupational classifications, price deflators, postcode directories, and more. Finally, we'll show you the Applications library. Click the back button and click on the Applications drive. Here you'll find shortcuts to all of the software applications that we offer in the Secure Lab. They include statistical packages such as Stata, SPSS, and R. And we also have GIS software including ArcGIS and Geoda. In addition, we have Microsoft Office software to enable you to write up your statistical analysis. Finally, we'll show you how to log off the Secure Lab properly. Please note that just closing the window in the top right corner does not log you out of the Secure Lab. You will remain logged in. You may then experience a problem when trying to log in again. Please go to the Start menu and click on Log Off. The content of this presentation is included in the user guide provided on the training course you attended. This means that once trained, you have this information at your fingertips should you need to refresh your memory on any aspect. We have written the user guide based on the experience of our users. Contents are clearly defined so that you do not have to read around the topic and can get the information you need straight away. For any queries not covered by the user guide, please contact us through one of our contact forms on the UKDS website or via one of the other methods shown here. We hope that you have found this demonstration of the Secure Lab useful. We're always seeking ways of improving it, so please do contact us if you have any suggestions.